How to add filter on a WhatsApp video call. Now, first things first is you can try to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp and try again if it is already working. And then we have to make sure that all of the necessary WhatsApp settings is currently enabled on your phone system settings. To double check on that, go to your settings, phone settings, scroll down to apps, and then manage apps, and then search for WhatsApp. Go to app permissions. Here, you need to make sure that camera, music and audio and photos and video, those settings as allow all access. Now, once everything is set, you'll just have to pull up your WhatsApp, and then if you randomly call someone or if you initiate a call on your WhatsApp, it will automatically show on the left side of your phone screen. So it will be labeled as beauty filters and any kind of filters on your WhatsApp video call. So that's how you enable or that's how you add filters on a WhatsApp video call.